So someone recently left a comment asking me about my opinion or to do like a review on the Hermès fine jewelry piece that I bought a few months ago. It's the Kelly Gourmette Bracelet. And you know, when someone asks for your opinion, or at least for my opinion, I'm gonna be honest. So this will be the unfiltered, honest truth about my Hermès Kelly Gourmette Bracelet. So if you want to know all the tea, if I have buyer's remorse or then gosh, you have to stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulux. I'm Tatiana, and I like to talk about luxury goods and items, a little bit of lifestyle, and then I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. Okay, so for today's video, someone recently asked me my honest opinion about the Hermès Kelly Gourmette Bracelet. Yes, it's a fine jewelry piece that I bought a few months ago now, so I've had time to wear it, think about it, and today I'm gonna tell you how I feel. I'm gonna have to be honest, because that's just who I am, especially with my fab family, my friends. I'm gonna tell you the truth in case, you have been thinking about this bracelet or it's been on your mind. Here's the tea, okay? But before we get into that, I just need to ask you to do just one simple favor. It's gonna be like a few seconds, and that is to go ahead and like this video. It's gonna be a great one, yes. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Yeah, subscribe to the channel and then hit the notification bell so you can be informed when I drop a new video, because I drop a video every week. All right, now that we've got into that and you've subscribed and liked and everything. Okay. All right, now let's get into the rest of today's video. Okay, so, all I can say is I'm definitely gonna be honest on my thoughts, my feelings about this purchase that I made, because it was, let's just say, a big purchase for me. I mean, I don't know about anybody else, but I know for me, from the price point and everything, it was a big purchase for me. I think I can link all the details below if you're thinking about this and you want to know. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you all the details. I purchased the Kelly Gourmette Bracelet in rose gold. Okay, let me bring it out to you because I have it right here. So this is the bracelet, and make sure I show it to you up close. And it's in that Cuban link style bracelet. And it has that Kelly detail, which is, the clasp detail that you see on the Kelly bags, or a lot of different signature things at Hermès, where it has this, I'm not sure what it's called, but this little round doohickey. And then it goes inside and then you just turn it closed, like a little turn lock kind of. It has actual diamonds, so these are real diamonds. I'm not sure how many it is. And then I'm just gonna show you, when you actually, put it on, you'll hear a click, because that was one thing I was concerned about. How do I know it's really on? You'll hear a click, so let me see if you can hear that. Very faint. Okay, hold on. There we go. All right. But you'll hear it when you have it. And then you just turn the thing, because this actually does turn. And it keeps it very secure, all right? And the size that I got was a very small. So it comes in a small size, a very small size. And even with this, I had to take it back to Hermès and get it resized for me. So they took out 2 links from this bracelet, and now it fits perfectly well. So I was very happy to have done that. It's a complimentary service, once you buy their fine jewelry pieces. So if you need to specifically get this one links taken out, they can easily do that. For me, I took about, I want to say 3 weeks. The great thing was they have a local jeweler that can, you know, take out the links. So my concern was, would it have to be shipped off to Paris to get the links taken out and then shipped back? Like, how long was that gonna take? But like, I wanted to wear my bracelet when I got it. Like, in order to do that and not be just sliding up and down my wrist, I had to go take it in. And yeah, I was reassured that it wouldn't take too long and that it will be all done within my state. It wasn't gonna go anywhere far. So that was good news for me. I guess you wanna know the tea. You wanna know, do I have buyer's remorse or regrets about this bracelet? Whew, okay. To be really, really, really honest, no, not at all. I actually really, really love this bracelet. Now, there are two cons that I have to tell you about when it comes to this bracelet. And I'm sure they're really cons to anyone else, but they're cons kind of for me. Yeah, so again, this bracelet is in rose gold. I love it. I don't really actually have a lot of rose gold pieces. I have a few. I think I have like a bracelet from Tiffany, and then I have a few pieces from Hermès, and then one from like just another local jeweler. The thing about rose gold, which makes this a con for me, is that everyone doesn't make the same shade of rose gold. So when I bought this, I definitely thought, oh, okay, I could add it to my stack with my Tiffany lock bracelet that's in rose gold, and I have my Hermès Kelly Gourmette bracelet, and kind of stack it up, and you know, it'll be really cute. Yeah, so again, I like to be matchy-matchy. I know people don't care about that. They're like, I don't mind mixing my metals. I like it to be rose gold, all of it, or all white gold, or all yellow gold. I don't want to mix my metals. I was trying to wear this with my Tiffany lock bracelet, and again, the shade of rose gold was not quite the same. I'm like, okay, that's fine. You know, they're really both nice pieces you can wear on their own. But I was like, okay, maybe I'll get another like Cuban link bracelet from like another jeweler that'll be in rose gold. Now, when I purchased this bracelet that I have was away getting resized. So I didn't get to like make sure it was the same shade of rose gold. When I got the Tiffany lock bracelet in rose gold, that was actually first. I bought that first sometime last year, all right? This I bought earlier this year of 2024. So I already had the Tiffany lock bracelet, so I didn't really buy it to pair with this. And I didn't buy it thinking like, or buy this one thinking, oh, it's not gonna match my Tiffany lock bracelet. It just, I was wearing it one day and I'm like, no, I'm not feeling it, right? So when I bought the other bracelet, and while this was away, I saw a beautiful like Cuban link bracelet, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get that. It's like it's the same shade of rose gold, and I could just, you know, pair it and have like a little cute stack, just like this bracelet and then the other like Cuban chain link bracelet to really complement this. So when I got this bag and I have the other rose gold bracelet that I recently acquired, put them together, and when I tell you, those pinks could not be so different. They are so different and it's a very apparent difference, at least to me, when it's on my wrist. So it's like, oh, okay, so I bought another, but I have another rose gold item that doesn't match with this. So that is the con for me. That's one of my cons. And for me, that's kind of, I want to say like huge or big, but it's enough to be like on the con list. Like, I still like the bracelet, still love it. I want to have a unique stack, and I'm still on the hunt. I have the bracelet now, so I'm definitely trying to be more mindful about buying rose gold jewelry and making sure that it pairs well. Like, I have rings that will go well with this. Again, I just want like another nice dainty bracelet that will match this shade of rose gold. But yeah, so just be mindful if you're like, oh, okay, you know, I have rose gold jewelry and I like to match my jewelry as well. Just make sure before you buy this, or if you're, you know, if you're thinking about it and you're going to the store to maybe like make that purchase, pull the trigger, bring some of your rose gold bracelets or whatever you want to stack it with, just so you can see and make sure, you know, it's the same shade of rose gold. But yeah, a lot of companies have a different hue when it comes to their rose gold, like a different hue of pink. And then the other con is, and I don't know if it's a con, because I like this bracelet so much, like I genuinely like this bracelet. And I waited so long. I don't know if I mentioned that. I waited really, I want to say 6 months to get this bracelet. Like I saw it in the store. They had it in a larger size. It was on display. And I think it was like on display, but like on hold for someone. And plus, like I said, it was a larger size. I didn't want to get it in the small size because that means, you know, it would be big. And at that time when I was looking at it, I didn't even know that, you know, they could take out links for it. Anyways, so when I saw it, I told my SA, hey, I really like this bracelet. Do you think you can order me one? And my SA was like, sure, you know, we don't have any more in stock. That's our last one, but whenever it pops back up, I will definitely order it and let you know. And I'm thinking my SA forgot or didn't remember or something, because lo and behold, 6 to 7 months later, I'm getting a text saying, I have something for you. And by the way, getting a text saying that you have something for me, and it's not like a quota or like a Birkin or like a Kelly, all I can say is like your heart be beating and you're thinking, you got something for me, what is it? And then I was like, oh, the bracelet. And it's like, why did you say I have the bracelets here? Like, but anyways, that's another story. But yeah, so again, like 6-7 months went by, the bracelet came in, I bought it. Someone tried to get it, you know, although it was on hold for me. I think someone was trying to be slick and sell it to one of their clients. It's like, I patiently waited. I didn't like pester my SA, like, don't forget about that Kelly bracelet, don't forget about that Kelly bracelet. Like I didn't do none of that. Just told them that's what I wanted, had faith in my SA would come through. And again, 6-7 months later, it arrived and I made the purchase. I mean, I tried it on, it was beautiful. And I'm like, yes, wrap it up. I want to take it home. So yeah, so that was the story about kind of that. But let me get back on track to the con. So the other con for this, again, it's not really a con, but let me just tell you. So the one thing that I kind of wish that about this bracelet, I really wish it was in white gold. And they have a white gold one, but I thought, I mean, that would never come in. Like I've never seen the white gold in a store, at any Hermès store. I barely see it online. Like if I see it online, it's like almost like on a reseller site or something. I've never actually seen it at Hermès or on their Hermès website. Recently, I have seen the white gold on their Hermès website, and I guess there's a few floating around in the US that you could buy. So the con for me is like, I really wish I would have bought the white gold first, just because I feel like I would get more use for it. I love white gold, silver, platinum. I just have so many other fine jewelry items that I can wear and pair and stack up. Like for sure, my Tiffany lock bracelet that I have in white gold would go well with the white gold Kelly bracelet that they have. I just have so many things that can be paired, because the one thing about white gold or silver, there's not like a big change. It's not like you can tell a big difference if it's like, oh, that's platinum. I can see it's more darker. It's more, so at least not to me. And I've looked at a lot of things. I've mixed matched because I have different types of metals when it comes to fine jewelry under like that white gold, silver, platinum spectrum. And they all look quite the same. I can pair it very easily. That's the only, like, I guess other con, not really a con, but I really want that white gold one. And like I said, it's a pretty pricey bracelet, and I know the white gold is even more pricier than the rose gold. I mean, usually white gold always has like a little bit of a higher price tag than yellow gold or rose gold, so that I knew, but I just feel like I'd wear that way more often. Yeah, those are kind of my two cons. I really love this bracelet. Like I love it so much. It's comfortable, and I'm so glad I got this one instead of the bracelet that's the same style, but it's, I don't know, I'll put it on the screen, like more like a solid, you know, band that goes around, so it's not really flexible. Like, I love that this is flexible, that it just really molds to your wrist. I like that it's easy to put on. I like that it's easy to put on by myself, okay? Because that's always another thing about some jewelry pieces or bracelets. It's like, oh, how do I get it off? How do I get it on? Or like, it just takes you forever to get it off and get it on. I promise you, this is actually a good buy. But what I will say is, because of the price point, just make sure you're prepared, you know, because the price point plus if there's taxes in your state, then yeah, you know, that kind of shoots up the price a little bit more. But I definitely think this is a good buy. So if you're thinking about it and you just needed like someone to do a more in-depth review about the bracelet, about having it for a while, utilizing it, wearing it, again, I have wore it. I think that's why I want more pieces, so I can just have more excuses to wear this. I guess it just means I had to buy more Hermès rose gold pieces, because I know for sure anything from Hermès that is rose gold will definitely go with this. So that's I guess a guarantee from that standpoint. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else that I can really say about this bracelet. There's actually 2 styles of this bracelet. It's still called the, well, I guess 3 styles. So it's this Kelly Gourmette bracelet. Then they have like another Kelly chain bracelet where like the chain part is like a little bit more of a larger hoop. And then of course they have the like more bangle Kelly bracelet that has one with diamonds, one without diamonds. But again, you kind of just clasp it on, and it's more of a bangle than it is like a flexible bracelet like this. So it has those different styles. And then again, if you like white gold and you want to buy this bracelet, I really say get the white gold first. I don't feel like you'll be disappointed. Be mindful that it is going to be more expensive than the rose gold bracelet, but oh my gosh, like I'm really thinking about that one, and like I need to save up. I need to save up my coins to get that one, or to get this in white gold, because it is gorgeous. That is my honest take review. Definitely love this bracelet. I know I say I love a lot of things. It's because I make sure to buy things that I love. So what I'm saying, you know, you might think, Tatiana, you're always saying you love it, you love it, you love what you got. That's just because I shop and buy things that I know I love. I don't want to buy something like, oh, I'm kind of on the fence, it's really cute or it's trendy. No, I need to love it. So yes, when you hear me say I love it, I do, because that's the goal of when I'm buying something, that I have to love it. Because when you love it, you utilize it more, and you're getting more cost per wear, or you're getting your money's worth out of it. I love this bracelet. I highly recommend, if someone's thinking about it, I recommend this one, this style the most. I recommend this. Again, tell your SA. If they don't have it now, they can make sure that you're on the list to get it when, you know, it does finally come in. I really hope that this video helped. Please leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the Kelly Gourmette bracelet. Do you have a Kelly Gourmette bracelet or a Kelly bracelet from Hermès? They have different styles other than just, you know, this one. But again, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's on your Hermès wish list when it comes to jewelry, whether it's fine jewelry or fashion jewelry. And let me know if this video is even helpful for you. Hopefully this was helpful to the person that asked me, you know, to do a review on the bracelet, so they would know, like, was it a good buy? Because yes, it's a good buy. I love it. All right. And I do have to say, it does capture a lot of attention. When I wear it by itself, people see it. It sparkles, it gleams, and people see it from across the room and be like, ooh, that's a nice bracelet. I want to say thank you for watching till the end and for your support. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.